introduce myself. My name is Tiara Dwi Putri from class 11 and 7. I will present my reading procedure text. What does the text procedure I created contains? This procedure contains 6 key tips to ensure a safe online shopping experience to avoid fraud. Who perform or is involved in this text procedure? This text procedure is intended for customers who shop online. Why should this procedure be performed or applied? This procedure must be implemented every time customers shop online to ensure their safety. Where is the location or place where this procedure is carried out? This procedure is applied in the context of online shopping, which can be done from anywhere. Why does this procedure tax need to be performed or what is its purpose? The goal is to protect consumers' personal and financial information and reduce the risk of fraud when shopping online. What are the steps or stage in carrying out this tax procedure? The steps include choosing a trusted e-commerce site, verifying e-commerce security, checking ratings, reading product review, choosing a self-payment method, and never sharing secret codes. 6 top tips for safe online shopping to avoid fraud. Shopping online. The digital era has had a significant impact on people's life. One of them is that shopping online has now become an activity that is quite popular with many people. Apart from being practical, some of the items sold are also affordable and cheap. Not only that, people just need to make transaction anywhere and the goods ordered will be delivered according to the order and address set. Online shopping is very convenient because you don't have to leave the house. However, this convenience also comes with the risk of fraud. To ensure a safe online shopping experience, it is important to take certain precautions. This video will outline 6 key tips for safe online shopping to help us avoid online shopping fraud. By following these steps, we can safeguard our personal and financial information while enjoying the convenience of shopping from home. 1. Choose trusted e-commerce. First, try to make a list of the needs you want to meet your
Expenses.
and they choose a trusted e-commerce site that has a good recommendation. Also, compare it with other e-commerce sites as a reference to ensure you didn't make a mistake in choosing e-commerce. 2. Pay attention to e-commerce security. Next, choose the item you want to buy. Double check whether the e-commerce you choose has been verified or not. It is recommended to choose e-commerce that has a guarantee, and it is recommended that you do not carelessly click on link via SMS or email. Instead, just visit the e-commerce site directly. 3. Check ratings. Usually, some e-commerce sites include rating from buyers. Try to look from e-commerce that has a good rating. Typically, e-commerce that is reputable will get lots of good review from its buyers. If you see a positive response, it can be said that the e-commerce has a good reputation. 4. Read product review and description. Before choosing the item you want, you should carefully read review of the product. This makes it easier for you to get information about whether the item is suitable or not, especially choice containing photos. Additionally, you can see description of good, especially basic ingredients. 5. Choose a safe way to pay. There are many payment methods for online transactions, so choose a method that suits e-commerce. For example, using a joint action. In this case, the action acts as an intermediary between the buyer and the sellers, ensuring that the money you transfer is not directly received by the seller. Also, keep proof of your payment in case the goods you receive do not meet your expectation. 6. Never share secret codes. If you get a secret code via short message, such as SMS, it is code for transaction authorization. So never share secret codes with anyone you don't know for any reason. Finally, happy shopping friends! In the growing world of online shopping, it is important to increase customer security and protection by taking steps such as choosing trusted e-commerce sites, carefully verifying e-commerce sites, and choosing secure payment method. We can significantly reduce the risk of fraud. Educating consumers about safe online shopping practices is also crucial for the future while continuing to develop technology that can better secure online transactions. This way, we can enjoy the convenience of shopping online without compromising our personal and financial information. Thank you and goodbye.